Hello to everyone. Okay, what I'm going to make is an old-fashioned soup pot. So what you want to do is you want to go through your refrigerator. So I had 4 pork links, maple pork links. Okay, so the maple pork links are going to work out good because I also have a small piece of turkey burger. And so the turkey burger doesn't have much grease. You can also use bacon for this. You can also use bacon and chorizo. So see how small my turkey burger meat is? So, okay, what I want to do is I want to create a big pot of food. But of course, I don't want to spend much. I want to be cheap. So if you're new to prepping, go through the house. Gather up all your half-eaten packages of food and go through your refrigerator and in your freezer and find small pieces of food. And what you're going to do is you're going to start making some, I have some frozen onions, so I'll put that in there. So you're going to gather up all your food. You're going to be very careful with your food. You're going to you're going to prep your food to get started using all your partially eaten packages of food. And so then in this, I'm just going to use seasoned salt because I want to season my meat good before I start. I have this, I bought this, I think at Dollar Tree. And then, let's see, it's this one. I have this pepper and there's not much left. Let's see how much is left. So this is a good way to use the last bit of everything. And so this is part 1, but I wanted to go through it bit by bit. So, okay, so I did videos. I used to go to this church and they had lunch after church and there was never enough food. So the ladies would go into the kitchen and they prayed to God. And then they would start cutting the pieces of food in small pieces and the food would somehow multiply just like this. Say you have 4 people and you have 4 sausages and that tiny bit, say 1/4 pound turkey meat, that is not much food. What are you going to do? Give everybody, you cut your 1/16 piece of turkey burger and 1 sausage for dinner? No, that's not a good strategy. So you're going to, if you don't have much food, you're going to cut your food up in small pieces and you're going to create a stew or a soup. On my cheap food plan, I think I had soup and what did I have? I had soup and beans. But on the soup day, it could be soup or it could be stew. I made a vegetable stew too. And so then, you know, when you bring your meat home, cut it up in like 1/4 pound pieces. And then a couple times a month, you know, go for some kind of, you know, stew or soup. Okay, so you're going to prep. You're going to gather all your food that you have in the house together. And you're going to start eating all the small pieces of food up. You're going to create meals or you're just going to eat the meals. So now, okay, so what I'm making here is a soup pot. So what you can do is in the morning you make your soup pot and you let it cook all day and this goes on and you eat it. And then at night you refrigerate it and you can eat it the next day. And what is good is you make homemade bread. Tonight I'm going to make pumpkin bread to go with this. And you're going to cut all your food in small pieces and you're going to use up all the scraps. And you're probably not going to run out of food. So this is, okay, so these were 4 ounces of sausage and 4 ounces of of turkey burger. And so now another point, and then I froze my onion, you know, when I didn't need it. Okay, now this is another important issue. You want to attend to this meat closely. You want to fry it good, but you don't want to screw up your meat, because if you do, then your soup is not going to be good. Okay, you guys, I will be back with Soup-Pot Part 2. Okay, you guys, God bless you all.